I want to show you guys what we got going on one of our trucks right now, what we're installing. We're installing these 4-inch red running lights, 2-in-1 application with load lights on the back of one of our trucks on the back of the sleeper cab. And then we also are going to be integrating the Legacy series right here. These are 4-inch as well with the chrome round LED flange. These are the work lights, okay? So these are the spot beams. They go up to 315 feet, approximately 2,000 lumens. I hooked these things up to the jumper pack. They're really, really bright. Which is good. It's what we need for loading at nighttime. And this is what it looks like right here. And it's super easy to install too, guys. It's all plug and play straight into the Peterbilt harness. If you guys can plug in an extension cord to your house, you guys can plug in these. It's really, really easy. About 3 out of 10 on a difficulty level scale. And then also right here, these lights. These are the 5-inch chrome round LED work lights. These are the spot beams as well, 2,000 lumens. And then this is cool because if like you're a heavy hauler, landau, service truck, whatever, this is how they mount up with the, there's a bolt on the bottom. All you need is like a little flange like that. This is the spot right here, the wires, the OEM style 2-pin connector. And this is just a little bit of information on the lights right there, 6 diodes, 12 to 24 volts. But this is how it looks right here. Got a little bolt on the bottom. And then this little visor right here, it doesn't matter where you have the light mounted, the visor moves, okay? So that's pretty cool as well. But let me show you guys on the truck kind of what we got going on and what we're installing. But this is the Legacy series. So in the back of the sleeper right here, these are the 4 running lights that we have right there. Those also turn into load lights, and then those is where we have the Legacy series spotlights, the 2,000 lumen spotlights right there. So let me show you when all the load lights are on. That's all the load lights right there. Super bright. All right, guys, so those lights right there, they're very, very universal. You guys can purchase them and put them wherever you want to. That's just where we decided to put them. That's kind of where we wanted them with the Legacy series. Have a little bit more of a spotlight on the bottom so we can see a little bit better, since they do go up to 315 feet with the beam. So that's kind of what we wanted, but you guys can put them wherever you want to put them. If you guys want a full install video on how to install those lights right there, scroll a little bit further down our feed. You guys will see one. But check them out, www.truckaccessories.com. Go to their Instagram, @truckaccessories. They have a link that takes you to the website, takes you to the catalog, and you guys can check out all their lights that they do have to offer. Only one in the business doing dual revolution, so I don't know what you're waiting on. And tax season's coming up, so make sure you guys stock up on some lights that we don't got to pay Uncle Sam. We'll catch you guys on the next one.